Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today it is our second day. Right now we are out for French breakfast. It is around 9:30 in the morning. Actually, in Pondicherry you would love these kind of French breakfasts. Most people here prefer having the fresh croissant and the freshly baked bread. So this is the menu you can see. There's a lovely spread and this is where the French legacy steps in. अगर आपको कैफ़े में ब्रेकफास्ट करना पसंद है, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पे। और अगर आपको टिपिकल साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, उसका भी काफ़ी ऑप्शंस है पौंडीचेरी में। So right now we are here and it's a very quaint, very serene cafe. The name of the cafe is Cafe de Milan. So what exactly is served for French breakfast में मतलब number one is croissant. मतलब croissant is a very very common thing over here. तो हमारा जो spread है उसमें multigrain bread, scrambled eggs, sausages और French toast with maple syrup was also served. Each of these cafes offer a unique experience, so you can choose whichever suits your taste and preferences. Actually, after breakfast today we are going to explore the city. We have the entire day with us and we are going to go to the hotel, freshen up and explore the most prominent tourist spots of पौंडीचेरी। ये देखिए, ये है कैफ़े का जो बाहर का जो लोगो। सो इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू कम हियर यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस कैफ़े। ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया है, हम लोग अभी बीच की तरफ थोड़ा सा घूम लिया एंड एज आई सेड कि आफ्टर फ्रेशनिंग अप वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू सम ऑफ द प्रोमिनेंट प्लेसेस। नाउ प्रोमिनेंट प्लेस मतलब यहाँ पे जो मेन प्रोमिनेंट प्लेसेस है उसमें नंबर वन इज़ द चर्च, द बैसिलिका church. Now church and a basilica, there's some difference. मैंने थोड़ा सा गूगल किया. In order for a church to become a basilica, it must be recommended to the Vatican, which then considers aspects of the church, the various things like the mission, the beauty, the sacraments and all that. And then I think it is judged whether it is worthy of becoming a basilica or not. Now, even if you're not spiritual or even if you're not religious, I would recommend कि यहाँ पे ज़रूर एक बार आना, क्योंकि what you will be amazed at is the Gothic architecture. This is a very old church. The construction of this church started around 1902. So you can imagine more than 100 years old. Basilicas are Catholic church buildings, that have a designation and they get special privileges. So यहाँ पे आके मुझे तो बहुत ही एक अच्छा सा feeling I could experience, and there were people who were praying and it was really a very very spiritual and serene experience for me. The next place which we visited was the Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry. There is no entry fee to visit this ashram and the timings are from 8 to 12 in the morning, and then there's a short break and uske baad from 2 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Now, I couldn't capture the pictures inside because phones were not allowed. We had to switch off our phones and enter. But trust me, फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ करने के बाद when I went inside, I had a completely different experience. At its center, there's a courtyard, a tree-shaded courtyard, and there lies the samadhi of the saint and the philosopher. This ashram is named after Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. He was a revolutionary, a philosopher, and he played a significant part in the freedom struggle of India as well. ये आश्रम में मेंबर्स को रहने का भी इंतज़ाम है, बट यू विल ऑब्वियसली नॉट गेट एक्सपीरियंस लाइक व्हाट यू गेट इन अ होटल, बट वॉट एवर इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ डिसेंट एंड हेल्दी लाइफ. इवन देयर आर वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स जो फूड, क्लोथिंग, शेल्टर, मेडिकल केयर, ये सब देखने के लिए भी देयर आर पीपल. सो दिस वॉज द विज़िट इन द औरोबिंदो आश्रम. और इसके बाद सिटी मतलब आश्रम के बाहर काफ़ी सारे शेल्स एंड सुवेनियर्स का शॉप्स है विच वी कैन डेफिनेटली एक्सप्लोर. एंड औरोबिंदो आश्रम when I visited, I actually also wanted to visit Auroville. Now, the name Auroville is also derived from Sri Aurobindo. And this is a international intentional community जहाँ पे people come to live in Pondicherry. This is a little far from the main city of Pondicherry, but we couldn't visit unfortunately because हमारे पास bookings नहीं थे. So if you are planning to visit Auroville, definitely booking करके आना. I am definitely looking forward. Next time, definitely I will come here and stay for a few days. There are people all over the world, majority being from India. इसके बाद I went for a boat ride. Now, Pondicherry also has a mangrove forest where you can enjoy a boat ride through the canals. एंड ये जो है ना पॉइंट्स जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ ना स्क्रीन पे, दिस आर द पॉइंट्स दैट दे विल टेक यू. अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे ना कि इज़ इट रियली वर्थ, ना आई वुड से मुझे पर्सनली उतना खास कुछ नहीं लगा यहाँ पे. हाँ, जिन लोगों को बोटिंग का बहुत शौक है, पीपल हु एन्जॉय आउट फॉर अ बोट राइड इन द वाटर्स, दे कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. मुझे एक चीज़ अच्छा लगा राइड में, विच इज़ लाइक आफ्टर नेविगेटिंग द बैक वाटर्स when we eventually reached a part of the Bay of Bengal, that place the boat was extremely turbulent. मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब डर भी लग रही थी, but ठीक है, that part was really interesting. But बाकी का जो points that which they took us for visiting, I would say it was nothing great, but yes, you can see the natural life, you can see couple of birds and the mangrove forest. एक dilapidated area में भी वो लोग ने हमको लेके गया, which is kind of a very dilapidated site. बहुत ही पुराना कुछ construction है. This was under the Archaeological Survey of India. But इसके अलावा nothing great. But yes, you can definitely not miss out if you think that if you want to enjoy, experience everything, you can definitely give it a try. By the time we finished our boat ride, it was almost evening and we were really hungry. Dinner time भी हो गया था और dinner करने के बाद one thing which I would definitely like to mention to all of you is do not skip having ice cream in this ice cream parlor. This is by the Promenade Beach. It's a must visit. Taste wise bolo, price wise bolo, it is great. It's the best ice cream you get in Pondicherry. Fresh gelato I've ever experienced. This is also owned by an Italian and the ice cream is made fresh every day. चलिए ये आज का ये व्लॉग भी यहाँ पे मैं ख़त्म कर रही हूँ और मेरा जो लास्ट व्लॉग है वो भी देख लेना. I've also posted episode 1 of this vlog. Share and subscribe.